Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BigQuery dataset permissions with IAM and audit logs, full guide step by step clearly. To verify BigQuery dataset permissions, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the left-hand menu. Locate the specific dataset you wish to verify. Click on the dataset to open its details. Select the Permissions tab to view the current access configurations. Here, you will see a list of principals along with their assigned roles. To understand the roles better, refer to the Google Cloud IAM documentation. Take note of any user or group that requires additional access or has excessive permissions. Next, go to the IAM and Admins section in the left-hand menu. Select IAM to view the broader list of permissions across your project. Identify roles assigned to each principal to verify consistency with your organization's policies. Now, check the audit logs to track permission changes. Navigate to the Activity section in the Google Cloud Console. Here, you can filter logs by resource type, specifically BigQuery. Look for entries related to dataset permissions to identify who made changes. Review specific timestamps to correlate with any recent access issues. Ensure to check both administrative and data access logs. Investigate if any changes were unintended or unauthorized. Compile your findings in a report for team review. Correct any permissions discrepancies by adjusting roles as necessary. Document all changes made for future audits and compliance purposes. This process helps ensure that your BigQuery datasets remain secure and accessible to the right users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.